Shalom shalom abakunzi ba Time to Know, turabasuhuje kandi tubahaye ikaze. Twifurije amahoro y'Imana, mukomeze kugubwa neza aho muri mwese. Turagarutse nanone mu biganiro byacu. Murabizi ko hano buri kimwe cyose cyatugira umumaro kugira ngo ubuzima bwacu bugende neza, kugira ngo tugire iterambere ryagutse cyane cyane mu buryo bw'imitekerereze, mu buryo bw'imibereho ya buri munsi. Icyo hano turakivuga cyane. Uyu munsi rero turagarutse mu yindi ngingo yacu nk'uko duhorana ingingo zitandukanye ku munsi. Uyu munsi nabwo tugarutse mu yindi ngingo. Abantu benshi bakunda kuvugaho cyangwa se bakunda kugarukaho cyane, ariko ugasanga nanone ntago abantu nyine bayumva kimwe cyangwa se babivuga kimwe. Uyu munsi rero tugarutse ku ngingo
Parenting is one of life's most challenging yet rewarding journeys. Being a good parent is crucial for a child's well-being and future success. Children depend on their parents for love, guidance, and support. When children feel loved and supported, they thrive. They develop self-esteem and confidence. Good parenting sets the stage for a child's overall development and happiness. Parents have a significant impact on shaping their child's life. Every interaction, every decision, shapes a child's beliefs and values. By providing a nurturing and stable environment, parents equip their children with essential life skills. These skills include resilience, empathy, and problem solving. Good parenting is an investment in a child's future. Being a positive influence in a child's life is invaluable. Children learn by observing their parents. When parents model positive behaviors, children are more likely to emulate them. Good parenting extends beyond the family unit. Children who feel loved and supported are more likely to contribute positively to society. In essence, good parenting creates a ripple effect. It not only benefits the child but also has far-reaching positive implications for society as a whole. As parents, we have a responsibility to strive for continuous growth and learning in our parenting journey. Every child is unique, with their own personality and needs. Understanding your child's individual needs is fundamental to effective parenting. Children have both emotional and physical needs that must be met for healthy development. Emotional needs encompass love, security, and a sense of belonging. Children need to feel loved and accepted for who they are. They thrive in environments where they feel safe to express themselves without fear of judgment. Creating a nurturing and supportive home environment is crucial for meeting a child's emotional needs. Physical needs include nutrition, sleep, and exercise. Providing healthy meals and snacks fuels their growing bodies. Ensuring adequate sleep is essential for their physical and cognitive development. Encouraging physical activity promotes their overall well-being. Recognizing and responding to your child's cues is key. Pay attention to their verbal and nonverbal communication. Offer comfort when they are upset and celebrate their achievements. By being attuned to their needs, you strengthen your bond and foster their emotional well-being. Remember that understanding your child's needs is an ongoing process. As they grow and develop, their needs will evolve. Stay observant, adaptable, and continue to provide the love and support they need to thrive. Positive reinforcement is a powerful tool in parenting. It involves acknowledging and rewarding desired behaviors. This encourages children to repeat those behaviors. Praising effort and achievement helps build self-esteem and motivation. When children feel good about their accomplishments, they are more likely to continue putting in effort. Positive reinforcement focuses on encouraging good behavior rather than punishing bad behavior. This approach creates a more positive and supportive environment for children. Use specific and genuine praise to acknowledge their efforts. Instead of simply saying "good job," try saying, "I'm so proud of you for working so hard on that project." This type of specific praise is more meaningful and impactful. Remember that positive reinforcement doesn't always have to be verbal. A hug, a high five, or a special treat can also be effective rewards. Find what works best for your child and be consistent with your positive reinforcement. Setting clear and consistent boundaries is essential for a child's well-being. Boundaries provide structure and predictability, which help children feel safe and secure. They also teach children about limits and acceptable behavior. When setting boundaries, it's important to involve children in the process. Explain the reasons behind the rules and expectations. When children understand why a rule is in place, they are more likely to cooperate. Consistency is key when it comes to enforcing boundaries. Children thrive on routine and predictability. When boundaries are inconsistently enforced, children may test the limits more often. Calmly and firmly address boundary violations. Use natural consequences as learning opportunities. For example, if a child refuses to clean up their toys, they may lose the privilege of playing with them for a certain amount of time. Remember that setting boundaries is not about controlling your child, it's about guiding them towards making responsible choices and developing self-discipline.
Muraho neza, ufite ubukwe, ufite anniversaire, ufite inama se, wabatirishije cyangwa inshuti zagusuye, none urifuza umuntu ugutegurira ifunguro rinogeye ijisho, rikaryohera akanwa, rikamanuka neza mu muhogo nta mbogamizi. Turahari ngo tubigufashemo. Duhamagare tugukorere ibintu byiza kandi ku giciro cyiza, utazigera wibagirwa na rimwe kuko uzahora udukumbura. Turahari ngo umunsi wawe ukugendekere neza. Udukeneye waduhamagara kuri nimero 0787070314 cyangwa 0728254334. Nimutugane tubahe serivisi nziza muzahora mukumbura.